we're going to talk about the grass being greener on the other side and how most of the time it's not. So in my business, my many business ventures, one in particular being a dance studio owner, I always see lots of kids that come and go or think that they've reached their peak, and as their mentor and trainer and watching them, not seeing them put their full heart, soul, and oomph into their classes, right? I find that many dancers half do, to say it politely, some classes that they don't really find challenging because they don't click with the teacher or the environment they're in. Hear me out. When we don't click with someone or something, our math teacher, our science teacher, that's life. When we don't click with our employer or our coworkers, that's another part of life. So throughout your lifetime, you're going to be in positions where you may or may not click or identify with someone that's put in front of you, whether it be a teacher, a mentor, or an employee. Now, my point to all of this is, where do you come in? When do you take responsibility for your part of that relationship? Not clicking, not matching up. Water your own grass. Instead of thinking that jumping ship is going to solve your problems and push you, it might for a moment because it's different, it's something new. But mark my words, you're going to find yourself constantly coming back to the same space in life if you don't learn how to water your own grass first. Because at the beginning of the day and the end of the day, the people we encounter, the relationships, conversations, it all starts with you. And it's our responsibility to teach the next generation to water their own grass. Water your own grass. It isn't always greener on the other side. Take responsibility for who you are, what you want in this lifetime. And remember, every relationship, and relationships are everything, in school, in classes, in sports, in teammates, relationships, when you go to the grocery store, in every relationship, you are 50% of that. Water your own grass.